Sometimes, life can be a little bumpy. That's why Redirect Health is here to make healthcare simple and affordable for you and your family. And with the Redirect Health Member app, we're available 24/7 for all of your healthcare needs. Whether you need care urgently or just a routine appointment, simply contact us in the app and a member of our team will be ready to help you at a time that works for you. All you have to do is tell us about your symptoms. And depending on your situation, we can either provide immediate care virtually or schedule an in-office visit at a location that's convenient to you. Our care team is here to support you through every step of your healthcare journey. If additional testing is needed, your Redirect Health medical team will follow up with you as soon as your results are in. Then we will coordinate your next steps and making sure you don't pay more than you have to. And with prescription information and pricing at our fingertips, we can quickly find low prices at a nearby pharmacy for your medications. We always want to ensure your health is staying on track. A member of your medical team will reach out to check on you as needed to make sure your treatment plan is working effectively or to make any adjustments. And if any type of issue arises later, such as receiving an unexpected bill in the mail, simply visit the Redirect Health Member app and snap a picture of your bill to upload it. Or if something changed and you need to update your medical information, a quick visit to the app can get that taken care of right away. And what's better is you can even request an out-of-pocket expense summary anytime you need. Our care team is always a tap away, ready to assist. Access to healthcare when and where you need it. The Redirect Health Member app is available 24/7 for all of your needs. From accessing care and requesting prescription refills, viewing your ID card or benefits, answering billing questions, and more, our team of experts and providers are here to help in any situation. And if you ever get stuck, simply request extra help in the app so we can get you back on track. Simplify your healthcare experience and make it easy to stay on top of your health using the Redirect Health Member app. There is a better way at Redirect Health. Simple, affordable, accessible care. Anytime, anywhere.